Welcome to Wondrous Wise. Have you ever wondered who invented the air conditioner that keeps us cool on hot days? Let's uncover this chilling fact. The modern air conditioner was invented in 1902 by Willis Carrier, an American engineer. But did you know it wasn't originally made for comfort? Carrier designed it to control humidity in a printing plant so the ink wouldn't smudge. At first, air conditioners were huge and expensive, used mainly in factories and theaters. It wasn't until the 1950s that they became common in homes, changing the way people lived, worked, and even where they settled, boosting growth in hot regions like Florida and Texas. From a printing problem to a global necessity, air conditioners have reshaped modern life. Like, share, and subscribe to Wondrous Wise for more cool facts. Stay curious.